Welcome back, focused learners, to another explainer. Man, today is a truly triumphant moment. I mean, you put in the work, you crunch the numbers, and you have officially conquered the curriculum. We are celebrating a massive milestone right now, your completion of Level 2 Applied Math. Think of this as the ultimate post-game analysis, where we break down exactly how you went from a math novice to an absolute champion of numbers. So get comfortable, grab your gear, because we are about to review the incredible skills you've just locked in.
Okay, let's dive into this. Professor Pixel honestly says it best here. You're a math pro, level up, and wow, what a journey it's been to actually get to this point. You haven't just memorized a few boring formulas. You have successfully navigated a major milestone. You earned that Level 2 badge. You've learned to connect abstract numbers directly to the real world, which fundamentally changes how you interact with information. We're standing at the threshold of a much more complex, futuristic landscape of learning. But before we take that leap, we've got to look back at the incredible arsenal you've built up.
Think of our agenda today as your quest map. First, we'll cover mastering Level 2 math. Then, we check your real-world skill tree, unpack the Pro Math Toolkit, explore math in the wild, and finally, we'll see if you're ready to level up. Let's get into it.
Section 1. Mastering Level 2 Math, Connecting Numbers to Reality.
This right here is where that old dread of abstract math literally transforms into real-world power. Math empowers informed decisions and solves everyday problems. Mathematical competence isn't just about, passing a test or surviving a worksheet anymore. It is the absolute core engine that drives our ability to make smart decisions and tackle daily challenges. It's the essential role of mathematics in daily life. Whether you're budgeting for a big purchase or just figuring out how to arrange furniture in a room so it doesn't look completely crazy, the concepts you mastered in Level 2 are those invisible gears turning behind the scenes to make those everyday solutions possible.
Moving right along to Section 2, your real-world skill tree, the powers you've unlocked.
Let's open up that stat screen and see what your brain can actually do now. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what you've achieved. In the financial and spatial domains, you've unlocked practical applications for algebra and geometry. You understand ratios and percentages, which means financial calculations are no longer some huge mystery. You can actively manage finances and command physical space. But looking down at data literacy, man, this is a massive upgrade. Your newly unlocked abilities are the mean, median, and mode. These aren't just vocabulary words you'll forget tomorrow. They are vital tools for processing reality.
So, let's break that down. Data literacy is your ability to interpret information and summarize data using the mean, median, and mode. Think about it. Every single day, we are just bombarded with a massive amount of noise. Clickbait, ads, totally skewed social media stats. By mastering these three core concepts, you possess a literal truth decoding skill. You can cut straight through all that noise, interpret the information accurately, and actually summarize large data sets to find the real truth hiding in the numbers. It's a total game changer.
All right, Section 3, the Pro Math Toolkit, Equipping Your Inventory.
So, how exactly did you acquire all these skills? Well, every true pro has a highly specialized loadout. Step 1. Kumon gave you that foundational practice, basically building up the muscle memory you need to tackle complex challenges. Step 2. Polypad unlocked visual exploration, turning abstract floating ideas into a manipulable reality. Step 3. QThink brought in collaborative solving, because hey, math is absolutely a team sport. And finally, Step 4, Prodigy Math gave you engaging and adaptive practice that reacted to your exact needs, keeping the grind incredibly fun. This 4-part inventory is what built your mastery.
Now for Section 4, Math in the Wild, Exploring the Overworld. You've got the skills, you've got the tools, now it is time to step outside. Now what's really interesting about this comparison is the direct bridge it shows between classroom concepts and real-world decisions. Those abstract algebraic and geometric ideas, they are exactly what you use for managing finances, like figuring out interest rates or understanding physical space. Suddenly, packing a car for a road trip isn't just blind guessing. It is high-stakes 3D Tetris with real consequences. The left side was your training ground, but the right side, that's the main event.
So your challenge now is to find math literally everywhere. Spot it in the prices you see, those percentages and ratios dictating your wallet. Spot it in the video games you play. Every single mechanic, from DPS output to rare loot drop rates, is just pure data analysis. Spot it in the world you build. Your environment is basically a giant geometry puzzle just waiting to be solved. If you actively look for these hidden patterns, your skills are only going to get sharper and sharper.
And finally, Section 5, Ready to Level Up, Preparing for the Boss Stage.
You have completely conquered Level 2. You are now fully equipped with powerful problem-solving skills that will seriously serve you for an absolute lifetime. But looking ahead, the path branches off into a dynamic, super-futuristic landscape. The final question our source poses is this: are you ready for Level 3, Advanced Math and Abstract Reasoning? You've got the foundations locked down. You have the data literacy. So what new, complex puzzles are you going to solve next? Celebrate your massive victory today, and I'll see you in the next explainer when we tackle that exact question.